Shortcuts for Excel file operations. New workbook, save workbook, close workbook, and open workbook. I'll begin by hitting the Ctrl+N keys to create a new workbook. I'll enter text into cell A1 for later identification. Next, I'll save the workbook by hitting Ctrl and S keys, and assigning a file name. Click Save button to dismiss the dialog box. Hit the Ctrl+W keys to close the workbook. Hit Ctrl+O keys to open a workbook. Double-click on the file name of the workbook to be opened. Clipboard operations, cut, copy, paste and paste special. Using the mouse, I select the data, then hit the Ctrl+X keys to cut. I select the target range, then hit the Ctrl+V keys to paste. Next, I'll select the source data and hit the Ctrl+C keys to copy. Again, I select the target and hit the Ctrl+V keys to paste. Next, I'll copy the quarter formulas in column K, and paste special values in the target cells. I select the target cell, and hit the Ctrl+Alt+V keys. I'll select values, followed by OK. Navigation, left, right, up, down, home, end, page up, page down, horizontal scrolling. We start by hitting the arrow keys to navigate, right, left, up and down. Next, I'll hit the Ctrl+right arrow, or left arrow keys to go to the last cell having data. Similarly, Ctrl+up arrow, or down arrow keys will go to the top, or bottom of data range. Hit the Home key to go to the first column having data. Hit the Ctrl+End keys to go to the last cell in the sheet. Hit the Ctrl+Home keys to go to the first cell in the sheet. Use Page Down and Page Up keys to move up or down about 20 rows at a time. Finally, hold down the Ctrl+Shift keys and scroll the mouse wheel for horizontal scrolling. Selection shortcuts, single row or column, all contiguous data in row or column, all contiguous data in sheet. We'll begin by using the Shift+Arrow keys for single cell selection. Shift+Right, Shift+Left, Shift+Up, Shift+Down. Next, we'll use the Ctrl+Shift+Arrow for selecting contiguous cells in any direction. Then use the Ctrl+Shift+Spacebar to select all contiguous cells in the rows and columns containing data. We can also use the Shift+Spacebar to select all cells in a column. Use the Ctrl+Spacebar to select all cells in one or more rows. Access popular dialog boxes, Format, Print, Function, and Go To. I'll select columns E and F, then format them as dollars with no decimal places. I hit the Ctrl+1 keys to raise the Format dialog box. Next, I raise the Print dialog box by hitting the Ctrl+F2 keys. Use the Shift F3 keys to raise the Insert Function dialog box. Finally, hit the F5 key to raise the Go To dialog box. I'll type cell A1 as my target cell, and hit OK. All Excel shortcut keys, Google search Excel shortcut keys. Type Excel shortcut keys, then search in Google. Click on the link to support.microsoft.com. Title: Keyboard Shortcuts in Excel. Now, you can browse through all of the shortcuts available in Excel. There are dozens, if not more than 100 shortcuts in Excel.